YouTube, what it do, man? Y'all already know it's your boy Denzel, aka CEO Stacks, man. You feel me? Back with another video for y'all. Different location though this time, man. This time I'm actually in the sky, bro. Like, no cap. And then I was just thinking, like, bro, everybody deserve this type of freedom. You feel me? And if you watching this, you probably got a 9 to 5. You probably want to change that. You probably want something different for your life. And I completely understand, man. You know, if you don't know my story, man, I done did Lyft, DoorDash. I done drove trucks for Amazon. You feel me? And that shit was miserable. I'm not gonna lie. But it was a phase in my life. And now I'm a full-time entrepreneur, full-time content creator. And I'm getting paid to do shit like this. You feel me? I'm getting paid to like live my real life, y'all. You feel me? And I know that's something that we all deserve to do. And it's not hard. It's people making life-changing income from simply marketing things that they're passionate about. Ebooks that they're passionate about. You feel me? This shit is not hard, bro. It's money out here to be made on all platforms. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Bro, you could literally pick a platform. The platform gonna pay you, but if you create a product, you're gonna make 10 times whatever the platform pay you. Having a product is going to change your life. Being able to create content based around a product is going to change your life. This is how you're going to replace your 9 to 5, bro. And listen, y'all, this applies for any niche. It don't matter what niche you in. It don't matter if you a hairstylist, a barber, a damn chef. Whatever you do, you can make an ebook or a course teaching somebody what you do. Like, why not take a risk? Why not try it? You only got one life, bro. The worst that could happen, let me tell you the worst that could happen. The worst thing that could happen is you end up right back where you are and you stay at your job for the next 40 years, you feel me? And you retire. That's the worst thing that could happen. The best thing that could happen is you actually take the risk, you actually bet on yourself, you actually invest in yourself, you actually learn a high income skill and go all in. Why not? Go all in on yourself. You feel me? And see what happens. And you might end up changing your life. On the other side of that risk, you might end up becoming a millionaire. You might end up making your first 100,000. You might end up making your first 5-figure month. You feel me? Like, that's usually how it goes when you take a risk. Last year in April was the first time I really ever bet on myself. I took a risk and I purchased an actual course, you know? People talk a lot of shit about courses, you feel me, saying it's a scam, talking this and that, you feel me? People be having a lot to say about courses. But I actually purchased the course, you feel me, so I could learn everything I needed to know about digital marketing, you know what I'm saying? And when I did that, it actually ended up changing my life. So when I tell y'all about these risks and shit I be taking, I'm not saying it, you feel me, just talking out the side of my ass, you feel me? I'm saying it because I actually did it. Like, who would have thought, bro? On some real shit, who would have thought that me making one small investment in myself would have turned into me being able to travel the world, me being able to make $16,000, $15,000, $20,000, $10,000 in a month and shit like that, all from my phone. Within this year alone, I brought a new apartment, I brought a new car, you feel me? And these are luxury items. Like, these ain't no, it's not like I brought a rinky-dink car. Like, nah, this is my first time having a car note. And guess what? It don't hurt me, you feel me? It's my first time paying rent on my own without a roommate. Guess what? It don't hurt me. You know why? Because I learned a skill that has no limit on how much you can earn. I done made $1,000 in a day, $2,000 in a day, $3,000 in a day, you feel me? All because I learned about digital marketing, you feel me? And I can honestly say, like, if it wasn't for the Digital Wealth Academy course, I would not be in this position right now. Because what happened when I purchased that course, it was a done for you business. Once you purchase the course, You learn from it, but you could also resell it and make 85% of the profit. So it was a win-win situation for me. I started earning money and making profits from digital products that I didn't even create. And then I went on to learn how to create my own digital products, learn how to get brand deals, learn about affiliate marketing, learn how to monetize my YouTube quicker, learn how to monetize my Facebook, monetize my TikTok. Like, I'm learning all these different things, bro, from one small investment. And now I have multiple streams of income from the internet. And now I can literally just live life on my own terms, bro. And I only make these videos just to motivate y'all and tell y'all, bro, anybody can do this shit. I'm in my hometown city right now, though. But guess what? Guess what, though? A year ago, I was here, but I didn't have a choice. I had to be here. I was staying with my mom. I was at my mom's crib in the trenches. It wasn't this view. You feel me? It definitely wasn't this view. You feel me? If you go on my Instagram, bro, I show my story. I was sitting there in my mom's crib in a room laying on the floor last year. You feel me? On the hardwood floor. I didn't even have a bed in there. And now it's like I'm here, but it's different. I'm here by choice, and I'm here, and I'm in the sky, bro. I'm in the sky, bro. You feel me? The capital right there. You know what I'm saying? And I might be in another city next week. And that's just how it goes. But the beauty of it is, I have the potential to still make money. You know what I'm saying? Because I put in the groundwork. I stayed consistent for a year. I kept putting on my content each and every day, and I learned the information. A lot of us is only broken and messed up situations because we don't take advantage and actually learn the information when we got the opportunity. And you got the opportunity right now. You feel me? If you wanted to bet on yourself the same way I did, the link is in the description to the Digital Wealth Academy. It's going to be a one-stop shop. You know what I'm saying? Show you everything you need to know. But honestly, like I said, man, taking advantage of the internet is going to be the best thing you could do. It's going to be a game changer for your life, because times is changing, bro. Like, let's just be real. Times is changing. You feel me? And AI is taking over people with regular jobs. If you got a regular job, sooner or later, it's going to be a robot doing your fucking job for you. You feel me? If you don't know a high income skill, you're going to be in trouble, bro. That's just what it is. And I'm still investing in myself, trying to learn more, trying to learn different skills, learn how to build on everything I already know. Because I understand, like, in order to become a wealthy person, you got to be a valuable person. In order to be valuable, you have to invest in your knowledge, invest in shit that's going to make you more money. So that's what I'm doing. And if you haven't done this yet, you need to take this as a sign, bro. Get out your comfort zone and do something for you. You can't keep living for your employer. You can't keep living to punch in a clock every day. You feel me? At some point, you gotta live for you. But that's all I wanted to say, man. You feel me? I'm about to get back to enjoying these vibes, bro. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Drop any questions, leave a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm out.